Hi friends, welcome back. Today again we are there to showcase one of our beautiful project done on this Ford Endeavour, where we have used a complete high-end audio setup having a lineup of Thesis in the front, that's a three-way setup, Voce in the back, that's again a three-way setup, powered with a fabulous amplifier from Audison and a Virtuoso. So friends, to start with this setup, we have used a Thesis setup in the front, which we have powered with a 6-channel amplifier individually. We have used a Voce setup 3-way in the back doors. That is also powered with an Audison 6-channel amplifier. This entire amplification is been controlled with this Virtuoso, which is a 13-band processor. We have powered 2 passive subwoofer. The output of this setup is really very good. The entire tuning process has been completed. So guys, presenting you Audison complete active high-end setup for this fantabulous Endeavour.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Que te preparen que lo que viene es pa' que le den duro. Mami, ya yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar duro. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar duro. Todos los weekends ella sale a vacilar duro. Mi gata no puede janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina.
जाने मन तू ही मेरा दिल तुझ बिन तरसे नैना दिल से न जाती है यारी तुम्हारी कैसे तुम बिन जीना आँखों में तू है आंसू में तू है आँखें बंद कर लूं तो मन में भी तू है ख्वाबों में तू सांसों में तू इंसानियत देखेगा तेरी आँखें मूंद के बैठा है पर नजरें नहीं फेरी हसीयत वो देखी ना तू दिल न छोटा कर भरी सोने की थाली कहाँ रखे जो फिर कभी न झोली
दिल की बातें थोड़ी भी कम हर दुआ भी थोड़ी मत्थम This night is cold in the kingdom I can feel you fade away From the kitchen to the bathroom sinking Your steps keep me awake Don't cut me down, throw me out Leave me here to waste I once was a man with dignity and grace Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace So please, please Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me If you wanna go then I'll be so lonely if you're leaving, baby, let me down.
Friend, yes, this is a complete Audison active highway setup.